Hello, Ethan Vessels, lawyer in Marietta, Ohio. I am licensed both in Ohio and West Virginia. Today's discussion is financial malfeasance or stockbroker negligence. And these are things that we're seeing more commonly at our firm. We're getting more calls on issues involving financial advisor negligence, stockbroker malpractice, any type of situation in which the customer or the client has a pool of money that is being watched over by a trusted advisor. This occurs with financial advisors, stockbrokers, insurance salespersons dealing with variable annuity products, and even trustees of trusts. Here are some of the common situations we're seeing, and one of the most common is the failure to diversify. A stockbroker or a financial advisor or even the trustee of a trust that has investments has a duty to make sure that the funds are diversified. No one investment overwhelms the entire pool. And we have seen even recently cases in which people have come in and the investment advisor has allowed the customer to keep 25, 30, even 40% of the entire investment pool in one single stock. That's simply bad advice and bad management, and it's actionable. Unsuitable investment products. This occurs where the financial advisor directs the person into a type of product that's not right for them. This generally has to do with the amount of risk associated with the investment product. If you are young and have time on your side, or you have a large portfolio and one single investment decision isn't going to sink you, then risky investments might be for you because of the upside. However, if you have a small portfolio, or you're becoming elderly and have a small portfolio and time is not on your side and you need the investments to live on, the financial advisor should not be advising unsuitable or risky investments for these types of persons. And this is a case-by-case determination. Another common thing that we are seeing, and I've personally handled some of these cases, is the misuse of variable annuities. Now, I'm not saying that a variable annuity product is wrong in every situation, but it is rife with problems. We have seen situations where the fees and expenses associated with these products are so outstanding, so large, that it makes no sense to use these products. I had a case recently, within the last several years, in which the customer was talked into a variable annuity product that lasted 10 years. She was elderly, so it was an unsuitable investment to begin with. But after the 10 years, she was still alive, and she had actually drawn out less than the actual capital invested in the variable annuity product over 10 years. The only people that made money off of the investment were the salespeople. Churning. This happens with stockbrokers, particularly stockbrokers who make their money on the transaction. Churning occurs where the stockbroker is constantly buying and selling, not necessarily to make money for the client, which should be the goal, but to make money for the stockbroker based off of the transaction fees. Related to this is unauthorized trading. The stockbroker should have the client's permission before the stockbroker buys or sells securities or any other type of investment. Now, if the customer has given the stockbroker carte blanche to make the investments without consultation, that's one thing, but that's usually not what happens. The stockbroker or financial advisor should be contacting the client before transaction decisions are being made. And then the final category, this certainly isn't an exhaustive list, but one of the categories that we have seen and seen recently is outright theft. Believe it or not, this happens. You need only watch television to see there are investment advisors, stockbrokers, trustees of trusts who will actually steal money from their clients. Yes, it does happen. Happens more frequently than we care to realize. If you believe that you have been the victim of stockbroker negligence, financial malfeasance, outright theft from your financial advisor, or you're the beneficiary of a trust that's been mismanaged, please give us a call, 740-374-5346, or visit our website, www.fieldsdehmlow.com. Thank you.